catch my breath. But when I'm done and I've had my soul's recharge and rest, I bring on the noise. Full speed ahead, my mind flows, pushed by the energy inside. Things click together, they move free, taking life by storm. Chaos breathes life into me, it sets my soul on fire and can't be